What is going on, guys? So it's been raining for a couple days now, and I noticed when I got to work my lower ball joint's going, and this is what it sounds like. So if you never heard the lower ball joint, guys, that's what it sounds like, and you do not want to drive on a lower ball joint that sounds like that. That's real dangerous, guys. So last night I was coming into work. Obviously I couldn't have a time to check it, but me as a mechanic experience, I know it's a lower ball joint. So, but just to make sure, so you guys can see, I'm gonna lift up the car and show you all the steps on making sure it's your ball joint, could be your tie rod, whatever it is. But I'm gonna make sure you guys know what specific thing is broken or worn on this vehicle. So guys, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you how to install a lower ball joint in your car, and then I'm gonna do a restoration headlight tomorrow. So I got today off, which today's Wednesday. Thursday I got off, so I'm gonna do Wednesday. I'm gonna do installing on a ball joint, and then I'm gonna do a restoration on the headlights on Thursday. So I'm gonna put out 2 videos this week, guys. Let's get this done. I'm gonna show you how to put a lower ball joint. You're gonna be an expert anytime soon. Let's go for it. All right, guys. So just got out of the AutoZone. Got the ball joint. If you've never seen a ball joint in person, I'm gonna show you today. All right. So this is what a ball joint looks like. Come on. All right. So this is basically what a ball joint looks like. This thing, what happens is this in the winter or summer, or this boot breaks, you know, from the climate change, and then rocks get in there, debris, whatever it is, gets in there, and then it starts making a lot of noise. Or it could be that this is so worn tore that this bolt can actually snap, and if that snaps, that's not good. You're gonna have a pretty good accident, and it's gonna cost you more. So once you get that ball joint going, guys, get that fixed as soon as possible. Don't wait till later. It's gonna be a more expensive job if you wait to get this done. So let's get to it, guys. Let's go switch this out, and I'm gonna show you everything, every tool you need. You already know, guys. Let's go there. See ya. I'll bust it up. All right, there again. Ball joint's not supposed to have play like that. You see? You don't want none of that movement. None of that movement you want on your ball joint. So as soon as your ball joint gets like that, change it as soon as possible. Don't ever run on a vehicle like that. You can get in a big accident. Alright, guys, so these are the basic tools that we use for this job. You don't need a power drill. That's something if you want to go into, up to you. But these are basically the tools we use. I'm going to put everything down in the description down below of everything we use in this video. You know, make sure you got some brake cleaner. Get some PB penetration, so you can get, you know, a WD-40, so you can get everything loosened up. Don't forget that, because you know, once you touch the brake pads or the brake rotors, you're gonna get grease on them. So make sure you get some brake cleaner so you can get that cleaned up. Get a grease gun if you gotta grease anything up, like tire irons. You wanna grease them up if you need grease. Make sure you have one of these. All right, guys. So for this setup, we're using 2 towers, and we got the jack. We're gonna leave the jack just for, like I told you, another safety. Always remember to put your safety. Put something to chop your wheels in the back. Never forget that. Before you take the lug nut out, make sure you take that little spot right here, that indent. That's a safety, so the bolt won't twist. So that's something you want to take out first before you unbolt the bolt. Head screwdriver, so it stops the rotor from moving, and then we're gonna basically use the brake bar to get this loose. Alright, guys, so once you take this axle ball out, you're gonna want to get something to hit the middle of the axle right here, so you can. Okay, so once you take the axle ball out, and then you popped out the axle, you're gonna want to come to your caliper. Take these are, I believe, 14 right now. Take these 2 off for your caliper. After we take those 2 out, what you're gonna do is take the ones that hold the bracket. If you can see, there's one right here and there's one in the bottom. And take this bracket out. That's the next step you want to do, is take this caliper off. Also for the caliper, you want to have something to hold it, you know, because you don't want this hanging off the line. You could break the brake line. So just get like we use a bungee cord to hold it up. You can use, you know, be creative and use anything just to hold this up. You know, you don't want no flex or tension. I mean, on this line, because you don't want to break this line, and that'll be a mess. So make sure you always hang this up secure, and you should be all set with the caliper there. Alright, so after you take the caliper off, you want to take out the bracket bolts. That's the next step after the caliper. So once you take the bracket off, you're going to take the rotor off, put it to the side, and then we're going to go to the next step. Take this pin off the bolt here. That's a safety pin, so the screw won't come off. That's the next step you want to do. And that's the upper control line ball joint. Alright, then you're going to take the tie rod pin bolt out. The pin out of the tie rod. Total, there should be 3 pins. There should be 1 for the upper control arm, 1 for the tie rod, and there's 1 for the lower ball joint. Right, so once you pop that tie rod off, you're going to go down to the lower ball joint and loosen that bolt up. There's usually a pin there, but at the moment this one doesn't have a pin. So we're going to go down to the lower ball joint, which is down here. Alright guys, so that bolt down here was really tight, so we're going to use an impact gun. If you don't have an impact gun, you can always use a breaker board. There you go. Always put your always put these bolts back on the magnet so you never lose them. That's what it looks like, the lower ball joint.
Esta lona es así porque el pin va entre medio de esto para que queda el rojo aquí.
So you're basically saying the pin goes right in between these.
Yeah, like this.
So that's a safety pin, guys. You always want to put that back. If you end up losing them, get new ones. But remember about the magnet. Always have this around. It'll be your best friend if you don't lose your bolts, you know, and lose your tool you're using. You're gonna go up to the upper control arm, take the bolt off the ball joint. Alright, this is as easy as that, guys. A little elbow and grease and get those bolts out. As you can see, it's coming separated. This one's pretty easy because the weight is all, and you know, gravity is going down. So the reason why that one comes out so easy. Fork right over here, and then use the mallet and go ahead and bang it a couple times, and it should pop right out. As you can see, you can do that, and it'll pop right out. And alright guys, so once you take that off, now you got the ball joint to take out. And look how bad that ball joint is, guys. It's so. Alright guys, so if you want, you can pay somebody to take this out at a shop, or you can just bang this thing out. It doesn't matter how you hit it. Or take it out. This ball joint's already busted up, so you don't need that anymore. Alright, as you can see, we're making progress. Couple bangs there. Ball joint's coming right up. That's it, guys. Popped right out. So as you can see, look how bad that is. You can use it as, he's saying you can use it as a necklace, put it as a chain in it's decoration. But yeah, look how bad that was. Look all that debris in there. All corrosion in there, all types of stuff. The reason why it squeaks and it sounds the way it does. Got the boot all busted up. This is what a ball joint is supposed to look like. All sealed, nicely there. So guys, never let run on a broken ball joint. That's real dangerous. This can end up snapping off. Anything can happen, and it'll cost you more than, I say, 60 bucks for this piece. So always make sure you change your ball joints, guys. Alright guys, so you want to get this all cleaned up. You want to get this flush as much as possible. See all those grooves? You want to take all that out. Make sure this is all clean. And get all these grooves out so the other ball joints can come, so it can just go right through like a butter, you know? Alright, so once you sand this down, make it nice and flush. You want to go and clean any debris, anything out of here. So you can be ready to put the new ball joint. Also, while you're here, you know, you want to go ahead and put your wheel hub. You can put your wheel hub in here with all the bearings, anything you want to change in this area. You could do that while you're at it if you have the money and time. But as of right now, we're focused on the ball joint. So let's keep going and putting the installation on the ball joint. So basically, we're inventing something to use as a press. That's what we do as a mechanic. We always improvise. And you're gonna see that the ball joint is gonna be going right in. Basically what we're using, it's a C-clamp for brakes. We're using a pipe from exhaust. This is from a pulley. And then we got a bolt right over here on the bottom that we're using. So we're improvising to make a press. But I'm gonna put down the links down below where you can just actually rent a press from the local auto parts. But this is another method you can do if you can't rent it or you don't have money to rent the parts or buy the press. Or if you don't want to pay for a local mechanic to actually press it in. There's another way that we improvise here as a mechanic. Alright, going in, you just want to make sure it's flush. There you go. Alright guys, so you want to inspect that everything's flushed out, everything came out flush. Everything looks good. The new ball joint in. So all ball joint out, brand new ball joint in. Alright guys, so basically now you want to reverse order everything that you just did. Alright guys, so once you're all done, everything's tightened up, you're all set. This is what it looks like again. Ball joints in there real good and tight, brand new ball joint. And you're all set. Alright guys, thank you for watching. CGFIX here. Hope you liked the video. Hope you learned how to do a lower ball joint. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment down below. So make sure you guys like this video, share, subscribe on it. You're going to see a lot of good content coming up. Next video is going to be on the restoration and the headlights. So you guys are going to get 2 videos this week, guys. So guys, make sure you hit that notification button so you won't miss another video. Also, the giveaways will be on Friday. So guys, if you guys subscribe, make sure you guys comment on my recent video or any of my videos so you can get entered on the win the $25 gift card of your choice, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Much love. CGFIX here. Take care. Peace.